भारत रे सीए आईन लागू काते गे मिद दिन तायम गे 12 मार्च लो आसु संगठन रेन अगवान आईन विरुद्ध रे मिद मारांग प्रतिवाद मिছিল को करा केदा मिছিল रे मारांग अगवान लेकाते ताहे कना आसाम स्टूडेंट्स यूनियन रेन प्रधान उपदेष्टा समुज्जल भट्टाचार्य और उनको तो मार रिया मसाल प्लेकार्ड और पोस्टर नियते आडिगान हड़गे सरकार विरोध रे स्लोगान को एम केदा प्रतिवाद अक्तरे समुज्जल भट्टाचार्य सीएए दो सांप्रदायिक असंवैधानिक भारत विरोधी उत्तर पूर्व विरोधी काना लिया गया।
That time there was a peaceful, non-violent movement. At the same time, on 2019, 13 December, Aasu had filed petition before the Supreme Court of India for scrapping of Ka. And one thing is very clear that Ka is communal, unconstitutional, anti-Indigenous, anti-Northeast, violative to the Assam Accord. We cannot accept Ka. As per Assam, historic Assam Accord, those who have entered up to 70 on Hindu as Muslim, they can stay in Assam. Beyond 71, they will be deported. It is a commitment by the government of India in Assam Accord. Assam is a small state, we cannot take burden beyond 71. He may be Hindu, he may be Muslim. Assam is not a dumping ground for illegal Bangladeshis. Northeast is not a dumping ground for illegal Bangladeshis. And today, the central government, they have imposed rules on the people of Assam and Northeast. After 4 years of passing Ka. So today, the All Assam Students Union have challenged these rules and praying for stay before the Supreme Court of India. And we have full faith on the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court of India will give justice to the indigenous people of Assam and Northeast. We will continue our non-violent, peaceful, democratic movement and legal fight. And there is no place of violence in our movement. But till we get justice, till it is scrapped, we won't take risk. And we have a question to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. They have said that the inner and covert states of Northeast is exempted. Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur is exempted. 6 little covert areas are exempted. 98% of Meghalaya, 70% of Tripura, and 8 districts of Assam is exempted. We have a question to the Prime Minister and Home Minister. If Ka is bad for the inner and covert states of Northeast and 6 little covert areas of Assam and Northeast, how this Ka can be good for the other parts of Assam and Northeast? For Assam, we have 35 districts. Out of 35 districts, 8 districts are exempted from Ka. If Ka is bad for 8 districts of Assam, how this Ka can be good for other parts, other districts of Assam? It's an injustice.